Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a chrome effect in Photoshop. We'll start by understanding the core principles of metallic reflections and how to translate them into digital art. You'll learn to manipulate light and shadow to achieve that iconic shiny look, making your designs pop with a professional, polished finish. First, open Photoshop and create a new document. For optimal results, consider a canvas size around 1920 by 1080 pixels, or whatever suits your project. Set the resolution to 300 pixels per inch. Then, fill your background layer with a dark color, like a deep gray or black, to make the chrome stand out.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video.
Now select your text or shape layer. Go to Layer Styles and apply Bevel and Emboss. Experiment with the depth and size to get that rounded, reflective edge. Next, add a gradient overlay. Choose a metallic gradient, typically moving from dark gray to light gray, then white and back to dark to simulate light reflection. To further refine the effect, add an inner shadow to give your chrome object more depth and a sense of curvature. Then, apply a subtle outer glow using a light color, like white or a very light gray, to simulate ambient light reflection. Don't forget to experiment with blending modes for both the gradient and glow to achieve the most realistic metallic sheen.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.